In the engine bay of Mazda CX-5, this is the location of the engine air filter. We have two clips, this one here and this one here. So we have to unclip these two clips, pull the cover towards you, and you can have access to the filter, which is underneath the cover. Let's get the filter out. This is the condition of this air filter. It's ready for replacement. Here I have the new air filter, and you can see the comparison between both filters. So I like to compare all the parts that I'm installing on the car, if they are having exactly the same dimension, if they are looking exactly the same way, that I'm sure that everything I'm putting into the car is okay. So these two filters are looking good. They're exactly the same size. So let's put this new filter back in place. I have to clip the clips now. This is the first one, and this is the second one. Okay, I have to check if everything looks good. So these are in place on this side as well. Now everything looks good, and that's how you are replacing the air filter of Mazda CX-5. I'm replacing the cabin filter of this Mazda CX-5, and the first thing I have to do is to squeeze the sides of the glove box to release it. This is the cabin filter. You can release it, just get it out. You can see the condition of this one. It's pretty dusty, and I can show you the new one. This is the new one. You can see the difference. So I would like to compare both filters. They are looking exactly the same. And now let's place this one. There we go. And we can reinstall the glove box back in place. Thank you for watching.